Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play retro games on your PC or your laptop. Maybe you want to play some classic games. You want to nostalgia with your old favorite games. It's very easy. This is web based on website, based on your browsers. So you can click retro games. You can search retro games CC on your with your browser. Here there is a most popular game like Tekken, Sonic, Dragon Ball Z, and Super Smash Bros, Street Fighter, and so on. And of course, you can try to filter it by Nintendo, Sega, and EC, Atari, PlayStation. This is on PlayStation 1, the first PlayStation only. Arcade other like Wonder Swan, Neo Geo Pocket, and also Flash games online here. For example, if you want to search by Nintendo or Game Boy Advance, for example, GBA, Game Boy Advance games, you can click one of the games here that you want to try. Or PlayStation 1, Tekken 3. Here you can try to play Tekken 3 for and many games that you can play on these browsers. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And circle the text button below. See you in the next video.